Hello fam! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, samahan nyo kami sa trip namin. We're going out of town. We're going to Toronto today for the long weekend for us to visit our relatives tsaka mag-celebrate ng birthday. So, come and join us!
Say hi. You have a YouTube channel.
Okay.
That's right. You say hi, kiddos.
Where are we going, Kuya?
Where are we going?
Airport.
To the airport. Where are we going? After we're going to ride the airplane, right? Sakay tayo ng airplane. Toronto to visit the uncle. Okay. See ya.
Parang nabuda.
So medyo pagod na, kaka-prepare ni Dawn na dami niyang pin-repair. Ako kasi nag-work pa ako today. Sobrang cold. Calgary cold weather. That's Mommy Fam Bam. We're on our way. Siguro around 10 minutes, 15 minutes lang naman. So mabilis lang siya actually. So, we'll update guys again. It's day 0 of our trip to Toronto. See you later. Hey fam, papunta na kami sa airport. Driving lang. So, yeah, and we are with our very good Uber driver. And my kiddos are having fun already. Yes, Kuya, masaya?
Masaya.
Masaya. Nice. We have a really nice car, so very comfy. Yeah, it's nice. We're on our way to the airport. Malapit lang. Sana makabili ako ng kotse dito, lab. Yan oh. Yan. Pero kung hindi man, kahit yung nandun na lang sa dulo. Toyota Land Cruiser. Kung hindi Benz, edi okay. And we're in the corner of Country Hills Boulevard. Ay, dito na kami sa airport. Wow, ang ganda ng airport. Ang dami. Yeah. Ganda ng Christmas tree. Dito na kami. And we are going to the departure. We're going up. Go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down, go up, go down. Siyempre dito kami sa sasakay sa work. Go na. And YYC. And we are here. So, magpapak lang ako. Siyempre, tigabuhat. Okay, see you later. Of course, help tayo ni Davon. Go, go, go. Dito muna, dito. We're in the airport, fam. Have you checked in? So, check in na kami. Mamaya pa naman yung flight. Around 12. But the boarding is 11:40. So, help yung kids. And super init ng jacket ko palang suot. Hindi kaya. So, kailangan ko magbubad.
I see that.
Where are you going? Where are you going? You're going to where? To
One
Toronto to visit Uncle Lolos and uncles and aunties, daddy's cousins. Opo. It's day 0 of our trip to Toronto. So, check-in lang si Donna. And saya. Makakasakay din ng eroplano. Ulit. Kasi dati, nung kami pa lang ni Donna, wala pa kaming kids. And we were in Singapore. Well, even my kids kami when we were in Singapore. Lagi kami nagta-travel. Like every month, may time na yun nung buntis si Donna. Every 2 weeks nasa Pilipinas ako. So, parang nagsawa at that time. Minsan ayoko nang mag-travel and sumakay ng
Devon, come here.
And mas mahal pa usually yung Grab tsaka Uber.
Kuya, you do this.
Kaysa sa pag-uwi ko kasi si Donna worked in an airline so in Singapore. Great. Okay. And magsascan lang kami ng boarding pass. Okay. Tingin. Wow, ang galing ni Kuya.
Press, Kuya, press. Continue. Okay.
Continue.
Do you love it when we travel, Kuya?
Mommy, I need to go pee.
You need to go pee? Sige, hanap tayo. Nasaan yung CR dito, love?
Doon sa playground, sa pinakadulo mo.
Okay. Okay. Go. Go, Kuya. Go. YYC. Calgary International Airport. And yun pala, meron dito, well, mga design, the usual design. And then meron dito small playground. So here, Kuya, let's try here. If this is a toilet. I think it should be a toilet. Okay, let's go. Are you having fun so far, Kuya? Opo.
It's sanitizer.
Yeah, that's right.
This is what
Wait.
I do.
Siyempre, pag nagta-travel my kids, daming dala sobra. So, car seat. So, dala kami car seat. Kasi siyempre, pagdating doon, susunduin kami ni Uncle. I haven't texted them. Airport na kami, Uncle. See you tomorrow. Thank you, kid. So,
Go to the...
Now.
yeah.
Mom, I want to like this.
Yeah, let's go.
See you later.
See you later, luggage. Kuya, saan papunta yung luggage, Kuya?
To the aircraft.
B, come on. You say it. You say it in the camera.
Luggage.
No, that's we're gonna be bringing that. It's called a hand carry.
Usually they're about like 7.
I'm carrying.
Where would the luggage go again? To the?
Daddy, you need to do it like this.
Correct.
Let me wait, so I know next time.
Sobrang curious ni Davon eh. So lahat talaga ng details. Are you sleepy now? You're not sleepy? Is that you want to ride? You want to ride the bus and the shuttle? Okay. Okay, let's go. Slowly. Need to be careful, Kuya. Si Davon yung nagtutulak kay Lian. Yan. Kuya ha, slowly lang ha, dahan-dahan ha. Kasi baka matumba si Lian. You're the what? Baby police?
Toronto cow chasing down two bad guys.
Go. Go ahead of daddy.
Where?
I'll wait for you.
Wow,
Follow mommy.
Daddy,
Follow mommy.
the Aurora.
Oh yeah, Aurora.
Get that later.
Bye bye, car seat. Did you say bye bye to the car seat, Lian?
Bye, Carson.
Okay, bye bye.
Later.
See you later. Okay, yun pala. So after ng check-in, single oversized item. Oversized, and then hinatid ko siya dito. And then isa-scan nila for anything. That's should be, that's illegal. So that's why. Siyempre ako nagbi-video at si Mami Fam ang nagbubuhat-buhat kasi siya ang may alam. Galing. Okay, that's it. That's it. Bye-bye, car seat. Okay, let's go. Slowly, slowly, please. Go tabi. Go tabi. Opo, doon kay Mami. Pasok na kami sa security. Oh, they're closing. Oh no. No candies for you. Oh, diyan ka ba? Yan na, security. So, for sure, the cameras are not allowed. So, record ulit ako mamaya. See you later. Okay, so after ng security pala, may ganito, may food court. Chinese. Tingin lang, tingin lang. Ayan, may A&W din. Siyempre, most if not everyone would get the A&W. Sbarro Pizza. Sbarro Pizza. Ooh, I would love those. Sarap. Okay. Let's see. Anong meron pa dito? Ah, meron Subway din. Ayan, that's it. That's the food court. Anong ano to, love? Wing? Left wing? A wing? A concourse. Oh yeah, yun yung naalala ko. Yung Chili's. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Chili's oh. Chicken finger.
May Chili's pa rin.
Papunta doon? Iaano ko muna si Kuya dito. Dito muna tayo, Kuya. Kuya, come here. Bilis. Oh, Kuya. Yeah? Do you like the Waka later? Hirap, hirap. Yeah. Lian, si Lian Love, anong age? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kuya, take a photo. One more. 1, 2, 3, take a photo. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Let's go.
Kami ni Kuya, Daddy. Kuya,
Oh, okay.
Shuttle bus?
Okay, let's take a photo. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay. Ayan, so sabi ni Mami, mag-ride daw kami ng shuttle. Meron ngang shuttle. Excited na. Ayan yung sabi ni... Dito excited si Davon eh. Excited si Davon. Yan yung shuttle. Parang okay to na work na ba?
Oo. Maraming Pilipino nagdadrive. Kasi pag
Parang-
nandito ako,
Parang okay to na work ah.
ay wala.
Pilipino pala si Kuya. Parang okay tong racket na to Kuya ah. Wow!
Shuttle bus.
Yeah, this is the airport shuttle bus. Daddy,
Yeah. What's that?
please airport.
All set. Wow. You like that, my boy?
Can you see
It's his first time riding a shuttle. Is it cool? Wow.
52, sorry.
How about ours?
D or D? The last.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
What is it? How is it? Is it cool? Is it cool? Okay. Are you having
Cool, right?
Are you having fun so far? Opo.
Bye-bye.
Another Kuya, meron pang isa oh. May darating na ano. May parating doon.
Yung ba yung sinasabi mo, love, yung ano? Wheelchair, yung nagaganon?
Ah, yun. Siya sick.
Magpapakasyon kayo? Sa atin?
Hindi po, sa ano lang, sa Toronto.
Toronto
Sa
lang?
relatives.
Relatives.
Kuya, yan, another bus. Say hi. Shuttle bus.
Pasok mo kaya ako dito, love? Parang okay to eh.
Sabi mo kay Kuya.
May bakante ba dito, kuya? Parang okay eh.
Baka kasi i-renovate ko. Baka mawala yung itong shuttle.
Oh, talaga?
Pero hindi ko lang alam kung
Kailan?
kailan. I-renovate nila yung buong airport na. I mean, domestic side. Kasi remember yung nag-install?
Oo. Ay, kasi gawa nitong si Concourse, sobrang na ano, no?
No, there's no more shuttle. You have to walk.
Yeah, this is the last station na.
Okay. Alright, what are you going to say to kuya?
Thank you.
No, in Tagalog. Sa?
Salamat.
Salamat po. Salamat bro. Okay.
Alright. Do you like it? It's so cool, right?
Bye-bye. Oh, galing.
By the rules, you said.
Yes. Mommy, I talk about the rules. What are the rules, kuya? Because we're...
Don't run different directions when your parents are there.
Okay, very good. And you need to stay?
And stay with your parents.
Correct. You need to stay close to us. Because, kasi merong
Tao,
tao might get.
you.
Okay. Very good, kuya. Yeah. So pag walang rules, hindi nila ano lang eh. Yung feeling nila dire-diretso lang eh.
Mommy, look.
Why are we here at Duty Free?
We need to pass by here first before you go to the gates.
Oh. So they would first sell you something. No, kuya, don't touch it. So they would sell you something first before you could go to your flight. Canadian.
Whiskey, look at this one. Daddy, it's so cool.
Yan o, astig o. Maple
No
leaf
touching,
whiskey.
ha?
Sige. Bilang kita nito, Francis, Pio, and FR. Canadian maple whiskey. At saka hindi naman siya ganong mahal. 41 lang. Pwede. Pwede. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, kuya. Let's go. Naalala mo yung dating galing Pilipinas? Tapos daan ng duty free ng Changi Airport. Bili agad. Ilan ba? Dalawa. Yeah. Dalawa.
Isa tayo, so
Yeah. Yeah, dalawang spirit, tsaka dalawang red wine.
Tapos may beer pa.
Tapos may beer. Grabe yun eh. Astig eh. Pakita ko lang to kay Davon. Ganda? Is that cool? Pwede ka ba sumakay dito? Pwede? Ay, hindi. Hindi daw pwede. Hindi pwede sumakay, kuya eh. Do not climb or sit on the aircraft wing. Oh, because it's a piano.
We cannot go inside.
Okay.
Yung chilis sa si Concourse pa eh.
Oo nga, yun nga ang gusto ko.
Chilis?
Yeah.
Babalik na lakad?
Wolfgang Puck. Pwedeng take out yun, ah.
9:21 pa naman. I don't know.
Pwede naman. Sobrang layo ba?
Babalik tayo doon. Ano shuttle?
Tapos wala na shuttle.
Meron.
Meron pa ba shuttle?
Oo.
Kailan nakakaya kay kuya?
Bakit nakakaya? Free yun.
Free ba? Okay. Paano kaya?
Bumalik. So kung saan mo ba yung mga matatanda? Doon.
Yeah, yun yung gusto ko. Pero,
Tingnan mo
yeah.
yung mga bata.
You guys know how to play piano? You guys know how to?
Ayan, sure. You check it out there.
Mm.
Wanna see?
Gusto daw ni Davon tumingin ng airplane. Yan. Is that an airplane?
Good.
Kita mo ba? Hindi mo naman kita eh.
Yeah, I can see.
You can see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's go na. Doon na tayo.
Wait, Daddy. You can see.
Yung picture talaga nila, may snow talaga eh, oh.
Oh, yeah, see.
Gusto talaga nila pakita may snow lagi sa Calgary eh. Di naman totoo yan. Di naman nagsusnow. Di pa nga nagsusnow eh. 2 beses pa lang nag-snow. Di naman totoong 6 months. Ilang months na lang eh. Oh, November na ngayon.
December na nga. Ano?
Oh, December na halos. January. February.
4 months.
Oh, pwede. Ang ganda mo dyan, Lava.
Angry.
Sino? Bakit magiging angry yung shuttle bus? No, they would love to bring you to anywhere you want to go inside the airport, kuya.
Not coming here.
Opo. Ah, is it not coming here, Lian? Hindi. It's coming here. Ayan o. Shuttle bus. Ayan na yung shuttle bus. Ayan, laging excited si Kuya Davon. Go. Go there. Yan. But it's different, right?
Hi, Kuya.
Sus, my boy talaga.
It's heading to
C.
C. C.
Thank you. Whoa.
Just for safety, please remain seated, keep your hands and feet inside the shuttle, and please hold on to your personal belongings. Thank you.
Ano daw sabi ko yan?
All your person beside you.
Uh-huh. How about your personal belongings?
Also,
Also. Tapos, can you stand? Sabi daw, no standing.
for safety.
For safety, no standing. Galing! We're at C Station now. C Station. Yan na, C. Dito na ba, lab? Okay, yan, baba na si Kuya. Okay, baba una si Kuya. Okay, go, go, go. Baba ka, una, Kuya. Yep. Okay, thanks.
Dito, Kuya.
Alright, here. Kuya, dito.
If it's green means, oops, Kuya. Green means, go.
Okay, dito na kami sa C Station. Parang Boracay Station 1, Station 2. Station
Kuya,
C.
come on. Gusto mo ano? Makita?
Yan, nag-refill. So usually sa mga airports dito meron talagang water bottle refilling station. And kinakount nila ito. Yung bottles saved. Ilan na? 105,649 bottles saved. Wow. So you're not wasting bottles, Kuya. And then we're not throwing trash, right? Is that right? Uhaw ikaw?
No, the end.
Okay.
Yeah, just say this.
No. Inuman dyan eh. Magbibir na ako dyan. Halika na. Let's go. Okay, let's go back, Kuya. Let's just buy from Tim Hortons. Come on. Let's go. Yeah. Punta na kami sa gate. We're boarding soon. Nabasa konti. Konting-konti lang naman.
Ay, may CR din pala dito.
Ah,
I forgot.
okay. Who's excited? All right. That's cool. You see, there's a baby. Nahayaan lang nilang maglakad sa floor eh. Astig talaga eh. Yeah. Diyan ka talaga sa harap, lab? Huh?
6 and 7. That's how
Should we sit there?
A few moments later.
We're boarding.
Side
We're boarding. Kuya. Kuya, look at Daddy. Are you happy? We're going now. Wow. Okay, Kuya. You need to give your boarding pass.
Give your boarding pass.
It's called the boarding pass.
Zone 1 to 2 boarding lane. Le vol WestJet 652 à destination de Toronto avec les membres récompenses WestJet de niveau argent.
Thank
Les
you.
invités assis dans la zone 2 à se rendre à la voie d'embarquement de la zone 1-2.
Here, so I have new boarding passes for you guys. You guys are in 13 now.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you changed your boarding pass? Yeah.
Here, so here,
There you
so that's the
go.
new one.
You changed it out.
Wow, you have a new boarding pass, Kuya.
Lianica.
Lianica, you get it.
Yeah.
Daenerys, thank you.
One, give me the old one, honey.
Mary,
Marie. Upgraded. Thank you. Bye. Nice. Upgraded, no? No.
Oh, we go to the other side.
On the other side. See the other side. Stig. Upgraded.
Perks off.
Perks. Whoa! Kuya, this is... Whoa! Look at our airplane there. On the left. Ayun no, sa kaliwa. The big one. Mm-hmm.
Is it more than every airplane? This is the biggest airplane in the world.
Yeah, maybe. Not really.
There's one more big.
There are bigger airplanes. Yeah.
It's in the airplane.
I know. Let's go. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Hello. Hello.
13 hours. Other side. Yep. So you'll just want to go down
Thank
the
you.
second
Yeah,
floor.
thank you. Thank you. All right, let's go. Go. You need to look for, what's our number, Kuya? 13. Okay. And then letter? J, K. And what's the letter? F. I think all of you are there. Okay, sit there. Go.
DEF.
Huh? D, E, F? Oh, D, E? D, E, F. So this is, it's here. That's J, K. Yeah. Kuya, are you happy? No, it's not broken. It's on the other side. Yan, go. Go ahead, you can do it. Wow. No, it's fine. No. I'm just saying wow to my son. No problem.
Daddy, there's a table, see?
Yeah, that's where you're going to eat.
Daddy,
I think we're gonna have sandwich.
but you
Oh.
said there's no table here.
Did I say that?
I
did
heard
not.
it.
You heard that?
Yeah, you said there's no. You can do this first.
Kuya, you could press it. This is a touchscreen. It's like a tablet.
Yes, watch later. After they
Yeah, we can watch later. Naka-board na kami. Dito na kami sa loob ng aeroplano. Settled na mga kids. Siyempre si Kuya Davon nagbabasa na ng what's that, Kuya? Emergency? Is that an emergency? Emergency book? Alright, okay, cool. What does that do?
When you're in the river,
Okay, when it's an emergency, when there's emergency. Correct? Nice. Are you excited to fly with Mommy, Daddy, and Lianica? Okay. Are you going to have fun? And you're going to sleep as well? Alright. So, ayun. Later. It's my first time riding WestJet. So, tingnan natin kung ano yung food nila mamaya. And there you go. It says Calgary to Toronto. So this is day 0 of our first family trip going to out of Calgary. Kasi dati from Vancouver to Calgary. It's not a vacation actually. Lipat bahay yun. So ito from Calgary to Toronto. Bakasyon to. So let's see what's the experience is like and kung ano ang food nila mamaya. But for sure my kids and my family will enjoy. That's for sure. And ayan, nanonood na si David. Nanonood na sila ng cartoons nila. So that's all, and I'll update you guys again.
On our way. When airborne, our flight time 2 hours 58 minutes. Behind cruising altitude of 37,000 feet out to Toronto tonight. Latest weather in Toronto, seeing mainly cloudy skies, light wind, chance of drizzle for our
Yeah, you need to
arrival
wait.
there in the morning, and it's about 6 degrees right now.
Yeah, you need
Thank
to
you
wait.
for joining us today on WestJet. We invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the great WestJet hospitality.
Okay. There you go. May na sila, headset for ear protection para hindi masyadong mabingi. Kasi ang lakas ng sound pag nagte-take off. So, dahan-dahan na. Siyempre, gitna si Mommy.
Welcome on board. We kindly ask you to please keep the aisle clear and
Pwede
place your
niyang
carry-on
asigasuhin yung
baggage in the
dalawa.
overhead
And
bins
ako?
or under the seat in front of
Ako
you.
lang mag-isa.
In addition to your
Oh, meron akong
in-seat
katabi sa
entertainment
dulo.
system, WestJet
A
Connect is
window,
available
but
for your
yeah,
onboard
sure.
entertainment and
Technically,
internet
ano kami.
connectivity. You will need the latest
Dave,
version of the WestJet app on your smartphone.